guys, I'm back, and I made a new account. So, we're gonna go, because, since I don't have anything, we're gonna go to, let's see, one that I know by heart, Crystal Sands. So, so we're gonna do the journey book thing, cheat sheet, I guess. So, right here is a flamingo. You press on it. You have one, and like, so you have one down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more to go. So there's 11 in total. So you go right here, tide pool, and now we have 9 more to go. And I might do another cheat sheet in this video because this is really fast for me. Sand dollar. You go over here. Palm tree, I'm guessing. Oh, cacao tree, I guess. Sugar cane is right here. And iguana, green iguana, right there. So now I'm pretty sure we have like 5 more to go. I'm not sure. I haven't been keeping. Oh, right here's a crab. Bug. Good. Okay, crab. Now let's see how much more. 1, 2, 3, 4 more to go. So I know where the 4 are, but they haven't come out yet. I mean, they have, but like they're not at their spot where you usually find them right now. So yeah. The parrot would be right here, and the centipede would be right here. Oh, right here. Tapir. Wait, let's get the parrot first, or the macaw. Sorry. Keep on calling it a parrot. Oh, right here. That's a lizard. And then, so where I got this one, the tapir, I guess, was right here in this grassland that I'm sitting on. That I'm standing on. Just can't. So, yeah, and then the lizard that was just running was over here. The parrot, the macaw is right here, and the centipede's right here. Now we completed it, and in only about 5 minutes and 30 seconds. So let's see what the prize is. It's a lemonade stand, so I'll keep it. And yeah, let's go to Coral Canyons. Sorry about the background. Yeah. I'm actually just gonna do this in the next video. So, hope you really. I'm gonna go to my. Whoa. Oh, okay. I'm gonna go for here because it's silent. I mean, like, not a lot of people are here. So, I'm gonna sit down. Yeah, I'm gonna dance actually. And please like, comment, and ... It's hard to type it because you can't. And substitute, which means subscribe. It won't let me. Okay. Okay, I don't actually care, but it won't let me. I don't know why. So anyway, the next video will probably be about random stuff, the journey book, or something else that I have in common, that my sisters will suggest. So, first I'm gonna go to my den and show you guys how, so here, lemonade stand. That's how it looks like. Just saying. And then, sorry, she's like giving me gems. It's kind of creepy though. I'm gonna shop for something. I'm actually gonna just buy 2 seasonal trees because they disappear after. It's like you can't see them. Okay, so yeah, please like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate you guys watching this video, and yeah. So enjoy the rest of your day, I guess. Bye.